Hi, in this video, I will show you how to create a Just Eat driver account. So the first thing that you'd like to do if you don't have Just Eat downloaded, make sure to download it into your phone through any store that you have. Once you do so, and once you open the application, you'll find yourself in this home screen. Make sure to go to Accounts at the bottom right, click on that option, and you should find yourself here. From here, make sure to scroll down to the bottom of this page until you find this Become Courier. Once you click on it, you'll be taken to your browser. And as you can see, here you can just go and click on apply now right away. Once you do so, you'll have to start your journey by entering your informations like your first name, last name, email, mobile phone, then selecting your city or town. Once you fill up all those informations, click on create account. And once you do so, you'll have to agree to the courier agreements and terms of service. Make sure to read it all by scrolling down through it all and check the option that I have read, understand, and agree to the above terms and conditions. Once you do so, you'll be able to find yourself here, and here you'll be able just to set your password. You'll find the email that you entered before, and you'll have to create a password and confirm that password. Once you do so and click on continue, you should find yourself here. Here you can just answer simple questions like how did you hear about us? There are a lot of options like social media, word of mouth, and etc. Just enter whatever you want and click on next. And here basically you'll find your delivery zone. Of course, you'll find free zones if you keep scrolling or zooming out of your map because this is normally the current location that you have. And sometimes they will distribute some free zones. You'll have to click on it and basically then submit the selection. So you'll have to zoom out and look for a free zone around you, then submit the selection. And once you do so, you'll enter the waitlist. And whenever they need you, they will contact you to start your driver career with Just Eat. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.